Ladies and gents. Ladies and gents, this improv story is based on the idea given to me, which is guy finds unknown item in the fridge. By the story commence. That's strange. Mary, what did you get that for? What did I get what for? What did you get? What did you get that for? Get what? Come here just now. That there. Mary comes there and I look in the fridge and he's like, that there. She goes, are you winding me up? He's like, no. She's like, I didn't get that. He's like, well, I didn't think you would get it. That's the weird thing, I didn't think you would get it. Because I know you don't like them. I don't. I hate them. Well, what did you get? I didn't get it. You know what it was? On the bottom shelf, a carrot. Carrot. It's like, didn't get that? Well, if you didn't get it and I didn't get it, who fucking got it? Don't know. Did you have somebody out here, Mary? No. How would I get out here? I just wondering. That's strange. What are you suggesting? Just maybe got people there, got somebody there. Maybe had some people there. And bring a carrot here. I don't know. Did you have anybody here? No, how am I going to get her? How am I going to get her? Mary, whose fucking carrot's that? I don't know. Mary, see if you put a carrot there, just fucking tell me, because that's doing my nothing. I didn't fucking get a fucking carrot. Why would I get a fucking carrot? I fucking hate carrots. You know I hate carrots. And I know it's you. I know it's fucking you. Who else would it fucking be? So just gonna drop it. I've not got a fucking carrot. I know you don't like fucking carrots. Then somebody must still fucking... Did you bring somebody there? Mary, fuck's sake, just admit. Did you maybe get a... When's that? Did you go to the shops? I've not been to the shops. Where did you go with that? Did you go arrested? Did you not accidentally get a carrot? How did I accidentally get a carrot? How can you accidentally get a carrot? You've got to pick the fucking thing up and put it in your fucking basket. No, it could have dropped in. It could have dropped in. How's it going to get into the fucking bag when I take it in? It could have dropped into the bag. You've got to fucking put the fucking thing in. You've got to type the fucking thing in. It's not got a barcode. I would have seen it. I don't even want to touch the fucking thing. Mary, how the fuck did the carrot get in the fridge? There you go. How the fuck did the carrot get in the fridge, Mary? Answer me that. I don't need to answer your fucking thing. Don't fucking speak to me like that. I'm just asking I'm just exasperated. Where did it come from? I don't fucking know. I know it was fucking you, Craig. It wasn't fucking me. It fucking was. How else did it fucking... Oh, you try to fucking joke. You're hitting me with the questions I've hit you with. You hit me back with the fucking questions after you. I want to fucking know what did I just answer your fucking questions, aye? Am I just here to answer your fucking questions? Just get rid of it. Get it out. Right. Picks up the carrot. He's like that. It couldn't have. But if maybe when I went into the no, was that? So you did maybe get it? No, I'm thinking. I think so. You maybe did get it though. No, I'm fucking trying to think out loud to try and work out why. But it's a possibility. It's a possibility. I don't fucking know. It's more possible you're the one that goes to you get the stuff for the fucking supermarket. It's more possible that you gonna get rid of it. He takes it out of the fridge and takes it out of the bin. He's just about to put it in the bin. He goes like that. Puts it in a wee cupboard. Puts it in a wee drawer that's next to the bin. Sticks it in there. Because he needs to have a wee think about it. The two of them barely speak to each other whilst watching the telly that night when they go to bed. They get up the next day. Morning. Hardly speak. Here, Mary, by the way, this is about the fucking carrot. I don't want to hear another fucking thing about the fucking carrot. I know it was you. It fucking wasn't me. It wasn't fucking me. Why would I fucking do that, man? Why would I do that? Well, it must have got in there fucking somehow. Well, I don't fucking know. You don't know and I don't know. Is it not possible that we both don't know how the fucking carrot got in the fucking fridge? Don't you fucking speak to me like that. I'm fucking speaking to you. I'm not speaking to you like that. I'm just exasperated. Why do you keep saying fucking exasperated? Change your fucking record with that, pal. Is this about the carrot? I don't want to look, the carrot's in the fucking bin. Forget it, I'm away to work. I'm away to fucking work. I'm away to work first. Just before he's ready to head to work, he opens up the drawer, takes out the carrot, has a wee look at it. He's looking at the carrot like that. He's hoping that just by looking at the fucking carrot, he'll work his way back going, right, I went there, she went to the shops, she went for the kind of big shop there and I got that, did that. I did go out to the shop across the road for milk though. He's looking at the carrot just hoping that he'll remember seeing the carrot and she's fucking had somebody on, man. He's starting to think mad things like she's had some guy here and they've used a carrot or something like it. No, it's not that. They wouldn't put a fucking carrot in the bastard in the fucking fridge. Unless they put the carrot in the fridge to use it for something later then forgot about it. But he would have seen it on her face. But she fucking hates carrots. Not a fucking carrot, who would do that? Oh, fuck. I knew it. He turns around, his girlfriend's standing at the kitchen fucking door, looking at him holding the carrot. What? I knew it was you. What was me? You said you put that in the bin. Now you've got it. And what? Because I'm not going to bin it. Would you know bin it for? Because I just wanted to look, try and work out where it come. How are you going to work out where you fucking where it came from just by looking at the fucking carrot? A carrot's a carrot. Did you pretend to fucking go to work and then sneak back in? I fucking did, and I'm glad I fucking did. Because if I didn't, I wouldn't know it was fucking you. Don't know why I even doubted it. Fucking else would it be? I didn't fucking get the carrot. Then how do you explain having the carrot? I don't fucking know. I don't know. Right, I just thought I'd pick it up and have a wee look at it. I don't know. Maybe take it out and go. I don't know. Take it out. Take it out. What, for a fucking meal? Better than I get half you. I don't fucking start. What? Right, look, there's a fucking carrot. Takes a carrot, snaps it. Takes a carrot, snaps it. There's the carrot. There you go. Bang. Chucks it in the bin. What's that meant to prove? What's that meant to prove? Mary, just go to work. Don't you fucking tell me to go to work. Don't you tell me to go to work. Well, so you're not going to go to work? I'm going to fucking work, but don't you tell me to go to work. Fuck off. What did you just say? Go to work, go to work. Go to work. Fuck off, you. No, you fuck off. Go to work then. Will you go to work? I command you to go to work. You're a fucking child. You're a fucking Wayne, you. I command you to go to work. Go to work. I command you to go to work. You fuck off. Where you going? Where you going? Is that you going to work? I thought you said you weren't going to go to work if I told you to go to work. What is fucking going to you? You with that fucking carrot has got into me. It's no my fucking carrot. It's your fucking carrot. It's no my fucking carrot. It's no my fucking carrot. It's no my fucking carrot, you fucking boot. What did you just fucking call me? I'm sorry. I'm fucking sorry. What did you just fucking call me? I don't know where that came from. I'm fucking sorry. Fuck off, man. What you doing, man? Fucking office, man. Fucking hell, man. Don't you ever fucking call me that. Oh, for fuck's sake, man. For fuck's sake. Now you're gonna fucking tell me, where did you get that fucking carrot? Admit you did. I don't. I don't know fucking doesn't, man. I don't know the fucking carrot fucking came from. I don't know where the fucking carrot came from, alright? I don't fucking know. Alright, you want me to fuck? It's just fucking carrot. I didn't fucking bring it fucking in, cause it only be fucking you. It could only have fucking been you. I didn't fucking. Alright, you know what? That is my fucking carrot, alright? I fucking went out and I bought a fucking carrot. I fucking put it there for no fucking reason. I'll admit it. So you're admitting it? I fucking did it. There you fucking go. It was fucking me. You happy now? I don't fucking believe you. I don't believe you. Don't fucking believe me. Don't fucking believe me now that I'm fucking dying. Because it fucking wasn't. I'm glad you don't believe me because it wasn't fucking me. It wasn't fucking me. Sees yourself in the mirror. Look at the state of my fucking face. I can't fucking go into work. What the fuck is that, man? Oh, fucking shut up. I ain't like I'm fucking hitting you. So what the fuck is that, man? I'm fucking scratched you fucking loony. What the fuck is that? I want you. You want me out? You want me out? Cause of a fucking carrot? It's not the fucking carrot, it's fucking you. Just then, a guy walks in and goes like that. Yeah, I'm sorry, but I left my fucking carrot in here. I left a carrot in here. Down the house. Put it right here. There you go. The end.